Girl, ulit na.
Damn, I like me better when I'm with you.
Hi Pats, good morning. Happy birthday. May mga gustong bumati sa'yo.
Hi Faye! Happy birthday! I just want to say that I'm so happy seeing all your life updates, even just on Instagram. Sobrang happy ako para sa mga nangyayari sa buhay niya and na-achieve niyo ni Kael together. And yeah, kakachat mo lang sa akin. I know pupunta ka dito sa July and I can't wait to see you. I promise I'll make time kahit na busy ako. And please always know that I'm always here for you no matter what. Kahit hindi tayo madalas mag-usap. Sobrang love kita and you have a big space in my heart. I love you so much and happy birthday. 30 ka na, girl. Yun lang. Bye, miss you and I love you.
Iko. Hey, hello! Gusto kita! Happy birthday! And welcome to season 3. Magka-age na tayo for 3 weeks bago ako mag-31. Alam ko na enjoy mo ng sobra-sobra yung 20s mo. So I just wish that ma-enjoy mo pa rin yung 30s mo. You had a lot of learnings when you were at your 20s. Tuloy mo lang, keep on learning, keep on enjoying, keep on dancing, keep on eating, continue doing them. And I look forward magawa ulit natin yung mga yan together. I love you and thank you kay Kel na super nag-effort for this. Kisses from Paris.
Happy birthday, Faye. I wish that you take this time to choose yourself, to relax, and to do the things that bring you joy because you deserve it all. And I wanted to take this time to say I'm so proud of the woman that you've become. You've grown in so many aspects of your life. Pero sana please don't lose the high school Faye na I've grown up with, I've laughed with, and I've made so many core memories with. Isa na doon yung nalagyan ng tubig sa mata si Sir Salazar. Dahil sa popsicle stick ng jelly tongue na nilagyan natin ng tubig. Pero dahil best actress tayo, nakumbinsin natin siya na tumutulo lang yung aircon kahit sobrang layo niya sa aircon. And may isa pa. Pero keywords na ang sabihin ko para if you know, you know. CSA Fair, maong pants, and inflatables. Alam mo na yun. So, I want you to know I treasure these memories so much. And I wish we can make even more memories like these. So, sana pag uwi ko, next time magpakita ka na please. Yun lang naman. I love you and I'm always here. Dito lang naman ako. And ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday!
Hi Faye! Happy birthday! I hope Michael is treating you extra special. And ang wish ko para sa'yo ay good health, stay fit, yes. And many more blessings sa family mo and sa career mo. And yes, I hope to see you guys this year. I miss you guys. So happy birthday! Bye!
Hi Miss Faye, so as another year unfolds, I want to greet you a happy birthday. So as much as I wanted to celebrate your birthday, I know that we still have a lots of work and priorities, so I'm hoping to see you soon. And I just want you to know that I'm so happy for having you in my life through thick and thin, for offering me unwavering support, and for your unconditional love for me. So, always know na support lang ako sa inyo lagi ni Kuya Michael, and rooting lang ako lagi sa happiness mo. So, see you soon. I love you and happy birthday.
I like me better when I'm